In this video, I'll be breaking down the full course of SMC, Smart Money Concept, from the starter to an advanced trader. So keep your eyes open. This particular course will help you understand how markets move. So first of all, we'll start by identifying our uptrend. In an uptrend, always take note of it. A higher high must always be broken. A higher high must always be broken. So for a higher high to be broken, the market has to pull back into a demand or support or resistance level before breaking the high. This particularly, you continue to see this back to back in your charts, and this is just the normal uptrend. As we can see here, structure continue to break highs. So here we have the advanced market, because you see how the market is moving differently here. Here is now where this here is where traders actually find it very difficult, because I've always said this times without number that a pullback in a higher time frame is a lower time frame trend, is a trend in a lower time frame. A pullback in a higher time frame is a trend in a lower time frame. So inside the higher time frame, we have our lower time frame trend. Inside the higher time frame pullback, we have our lower time frame trend. If you can spot these things in your market, you will definitely be able to make good profit and escaping bad trade. So secondly, we'll be talking about the downtrend. The downtrend is when the lower low is always taken. When the lower low is always taken. So on a downtrend, the lower low must always be taken. So I'll show you how a lower low looks like. So a lower low must always be taken. So on a downtrend on a higher time frame, the lower low on a higher time frame, the pullback on a higher time frame is a trend, is an uptrend on a lower time frame. Take note, the pullback on a higher time frame is a trend, is an uptrend on a lower time frame. As you can see here, we had a break of structure, then pullback. Inside it, we have our internal trend that we can take trades, and we have another break of structure, and now we have a pullback. So that's our market have been sideways market. This is what I call a consolidating or a ranging market. Not going above certain level. Market staying in between a range. This is what I call, okay, I think the buyers or the sellers are actually accumulating orders before pushing into their particular defined direction that they want to push it to. Buyers is actually accumulating orders before pushing it to the particular direction that they want to put it to. On a ranging market, I will advise you not to trade, because at this particular ranging market, there are so many traps set. They can trap you, and definitely you might just lose a huge amount of money, or because of you want to enter the trade, you want to take the trade. So I will advise you to stay away from a sideways market trend. So now I'll show you how about a weak and a strong high or low. So a strong level is a structure that a strong level is a structure where price move away from before breaking a high. Like you see down here, this particularly is our strong level. Because price did not break below it, and the particular high price break above, that is our weak level. that is our weak level. So we have our strong low and our weak high. We have a strong low and our weak high. Continuously markets keep breaking the high, that is our weak high, and our low, that is our strong low. As you can see on our internal, this is our external highs, our strong highs. So on a downtrend too, the same thing to we spot this is our downtrend. And now our the lows that have been broken, that is our weak low, and this the high that has not been broken, that is our strong high. So on a internal structure, we still have our external highs like located on top, that is our strong high, and this is our weak low. So market will keep taking lower low. External and internal levels in time frames, external level and internal level in time frames. I'll actually show you about it right now. So here we have our external level, and on a lower time, on the downtrend too, we have our external level. And on the external level, the pullback or the trend is a bullish trend on a lower time frame. It's a bullish trend or a bearish trend on a lower time frame. If you can spot this particularly, if you can spot this, you'll be able to take good trades and maximize profit and all. So here we have our external level, and now we have our internal levels inside, where I'm going to show you guys. So here is now our internal levels. You see that these internal levels, we are having highs before getting to the external support or demand levels, and now continue the downtrend. So now we're talking about break of structure. This is to indicate or to tell us where we are in the market right now. So if a market should break a structure, always expect that pullback, because normally the market will pull back into a demand or a resistance or support level before breaking the other highs. Same thing on our downtrend too. Always expect the market to break the down, and normally market will always pull back into a discount level or a support to resistance before taking the recent low. And change of character. So here I'll be teaching you guys about change of character. Change of character is a concept in which you use in understanding market movements. If markets have switched from an uptrend to a downtrend, where markets switch from an uptrend to a downtrend, as you can see, market has been breaking highs before breaking the recent low. So now we are now after breaking the recent low, as you can see, after breaking the recent low, we will be having a shift. In market structure after breaking this recent low. We will now have a shift in the market structure, but actually not fully a shift, because this might just act as a liquidity sweep and just continue pushing to the upside. You understand? So whereby we will be able to notify that, okay, I think we've switched from an uptrend to a downtrend. Is whereby markets pull back and could not break the high and break the second low. Now we will now be fully notified that we are in a downtrend. That's why I'm always telling you guys, once you see a change of character, always wait for the market to break the second low. Now we've switched from an uptrend to a downtrend. So now I'm showing you about how our downtrend can be able to switch to an uptrend. Here we have a series of downtrend. Market has been breaking lows. It has been going from lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower. Now we had our change of character. So as I said again before, it might not be a full change of character, it might just be a liquidity sweep. So always wait for the market to pull back and could not break. Wait for this kind of confirmation whereby market did not break the recent low and moving to the main direction. After confirming that okay, we had a change of character and we had our second break of structure, then you can now look for how to execute the market and take and do your trade and all, take your trades and all. So the change of character and break of structure. Now I'll be showing you how uptrend change character and now turn to a downtrend. So yeah, we are in an uptrend. We had the break of structure, downtrend, and now we break structure again and break structure. Now we have our change of character. So at this particular area now, when we have our change of character, we are expecting the market to pull back and could not able to break the recent high, then give us a break of structure. At this particular level right now, we are now fully setting to take the trade from we are not fully to take the downtrend, we are not fully to execute the market and take the trade. Now market has switched from an uptrend now into a downtrend. Like I said before, an higher time frame uptrend, an higher time frame pullback either to the up or the downside is a trend, is a lower time frame trend. So here we had another change of character, market pullback and give us a break of structure to the upside. Market gave us a nice break of structure to the upside. We expected the market to keep breaking highs like that. No, same thing on our lower time frame. Same thing on our downtrend. Same thing on our downtrend. The market has broke structure. Here we now had our change of character. Market pulled back into the particular support or resistance level, then broke structure again. You see, market broke structure again. So the market has been the same thing. It has been the same and it's going to be like this for years, for life. There's nothing that's going to change about the market. Market will continue moving in waves, breaking structure. If you can understand this, it's better for you. You can understand this, it's better for you. Now we had a change of character and now we had another break of structure. And secondly, again, always take note. Don't trade against the trend. The trend is your friend. When anywhere you see that market has actually moved from a downtrend to a uptrend, follow the trend. The market is buying the trend. You to buy. You cannot see a trend moving like this and you are now selling the market. Market will take you out. So here we spot our external break of structure. And inside it, we saw the one I marked on with the red line. That is our internal break of structure on the lower time frame. So our external break of structure, our external pullback is an internal trend, internal downtrend on lower time frame before getting to our external demand or supply level, and now changing character and now giving us the expected move that we want to see. So at this particular level here is whereby every sellers in the market are trapped. Now if you don't understand the market movements and you don't understand how market structure moves and how trend moves, so here we had our change of character and now we are now breaking structure. We are now in line with the external trend we are now in line with the external trend. Here we have our external break of structure. Internally, now we are having change of characters, and also here is how you can understand your market structure. And the one I marked on yellow line, that one particularly is the external structure. External structure, market has been breaking lows, pull back, break lows, pull back, and here we had a change of character. So internally, this is what you are expected to see. This is what you are expected to see, because as I will keep saying it again 1,000 times, a pullback, either to a resistance or a support level on a higher time frame, on the external time frame, on your external time frame, on your external range, is a trend on a lower time frame. Is a trend on a lower time frame. Here we have our external break of structure, the one I marked purple color, and the blue ones inside, those ones are our internal range. So here we now see our change of character, break of structure. Now market got to an external support or resistance level, and now change character. Now we are now following the external pullback into a certain specific level before continuing our trend, for continue pushing the trend upward. So if you can know how to spot this on your market, on your whatever assets you're trading on, either fundamental, either futures, sports, or forex, crypto, anything, if you can spot this particularly, you'll be able to maximize profit and not able to lose trades like the way you do before. So I've come out with this course SMC for you to be able to understand market structure, and all, for you to be able to mark out the good trades to take. Here we have our last external low that has been taken off. New external low has been broken. So now we are now following the external. From internally we are having choppy structures, and all. This is where traders like day traders, scalper to take trades from. If you are a day trader, I'll advise you to always work with time frame of 1 day, 4 hours, 15 minutes. Is either maybe you want to do a multi time frame analysis. That's when you can work with all the time frames that you feel like you want to work to. But as a swinger works with same 1 hour time, 1 day time frame, and 4 hours and all. While a scalper works with time frame of 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute.